everyone, today I am going to tell you about a scientist named J.C. Bose. Let's start. Introduction. Sir Jagadish Bose was an Indian scientist who made significant science fiction. He was named one of the fathers of radio science. He also invented the chrysograph, a device for measuring the growth of plants. His books include Response in the Living and Non-Living in 1902 and The Nervous Mechanism of Plant in 1926. After earning a degree from the University of Cambridge in 1884. In 1917, he established the institute was the first interdisciplinary research center in India. He served as the director of Bose Institute from its inception until his death. He left an indelible mark in several fields. So, let us know more about him. Place of birth and death. He was born at Munsiganj, Bangladesh at 30th of November 1858. He was died when he was of 78 years. He died in Giridh, Jharkhand in India at 23rd of November 1937. Family background. His mother name was Bama Sundari Bose. His father name was Bhagwan Chandra Bose. His wife name was Abla Bose. Let us know about his education. Bose's education started in a vernacular school because his father believed that one must know one's own mother tongue before beginning English and that one should know also one's own people. Then he joined the Higher School in 1869 and then St. Xavier School at Kolkata. In 1875, he passed the entrance examination of the University of Kolkata and was admitted to St. Xavier's College, Kolkata. He received a BA from the University of Kolkata in 1879. Works done by him. He is well known for his work on the wireless transmission of information using microwaves. Honors and achievements. He was made Companion of the Order of Indian Empire in 1903 and Companion of the Order of the Stars in 1912 in recognition of his contributions to science. Directed by Ayush Singh from 9th. And made by Yash Chikalkar of 9th. Thank you.